What's your name again?
My name is Ini Katrina, but you can call me Mbechi. I'm partially Igbo and partially from Akwa Ibom. I'm the only surviving daughter of my parents. My mother is very, very sick and she's dying. That's why I need this housemaid job. Please, ma, you have to help me. I beg you, ma. Please help me. I can do anything. I can cook. I can sweep. I can wash. I feel wash anything. I feel wash pants. I feel wash bra. Even if you not pants don't malanchala. If I wash them, you go toilet for me. I feel do and I beg you, ma beg. I go beg you.
Get up, get up. It's okay, get up.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma.
I'm a chef. I am a trained chef. I'm here for the chef vacancy.
Angels, what do people think?
I think I like her.
Oh, really? Thank you. I like you too.
So you said you are...
Anyways, looking at her, there's nothing special about her. Just a maid. That's what she was born to do. So she fits in. Chala, like you said, she will do it well.
Come on, stop that nonsense. And you said you're a professional chef.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, what's your name and tell me what you can cook.
My name is Ray, Chef Ray. And I specialize in African and Asian dishes.
Oh,
That's
wow.
my specialty, yes.
So what?
Asian dishes.
That's so sweet. Oh my God. The thing is, we prefer African dishes. And it won't be a bad idea if you do some extra works. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can work on it.
Cute. Oh, my bad. I meant good. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
I beg shift.
Your job is to cook for us. You are to cook what everyone will like. Our choice differs, so you'll be taking different orders to prepare different meals for different people. Do you understand?
Understood, ma. I can cater for all of you, it's no problem.
No. Just me.
Yeah. Oga, now cook you can't cook. Yeah? I don't understand all these extra activities where they add join the chef business. Your business is to cook and serve it. Yeah?
Who cares about his look? Who cares about his look? Now money be fine, bobo. So we are not looking at you. Don't have that time. You need to focus on your job and do it diligently. Am I understood?
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, fine angels of the Lord. Thank you. Thank you.
Shut up! Shut up! Shh.
So okay, we will give you people the job.
Hey.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm grateful, thank you.
Thank you.
Quick one, guys. You have the job. But don't be too excited. You have to be extremely careful with this job. Just have in mind that more than 1 million people want this same job that you just got now. So you need to be extremely careful, like I said, extremely careful, and you have to be straight with your jobs. Right. Am I understood?
Yes, ma.
Understood.
Thank you very much.
Hey, one more thing. Look at me. Look at me! I am very good at sacking non-domestic talent staffs. Are you hearing me? You, this chef, if I see you messing around, and you, this dirty, stinking maid, if I see you both messing around, look my face. They see, they see the two nose, they see the good. If I raise and give you job, you go not say go put yourself where you supposed to belong, idiot.
Hey, madam, why you can't say mess now? Madam, I know the mess, so I no fit mess for my life. Lie, I know the mess. Even if I want mess, I no fit mess open yash mess anyhow. I no fit do.
Shut up your mouth! Who they talk of mess? Dummy. I mean immoral acts. If I see you sleep with her, I go shift your jaw.
Madam, I no understand though. How me and this one go take sleep for the same bed? I beg, I no go sleep for the same bed with this one with the yellow like wetin I no know. See now, madam, you no even get chisel app. You no even get a bed gang. See pinkly self, you no even get nothing. Everywhere just flat. You no be my spec. I no fit sleep for.
Hey! What the shagama head?
It's better. It's better that it's not your spec.
Anyway. Nico.
Yes, boo?
Please show her room.
Alright.
Jane, please show him his room.
Thank you, angels of the Lord. Don't Chineke Galagozi.
Raymond, right? Raymond.
You follow me, eh?
Alright, I'll sleep well, Raymond. Good night. Good night.
Thank you.
Oh, come on, the smelling thing.
Are you mad?
You can't
You put your hand, you get it.
Now, clown, now carry come for you like this.
Nah, clan, I don't however. You get leave.
This girl don't get sense.
Come in. This is your room.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
See room.
Mama. This one is like heaven room. See as this they cool like where they put us in fridge. Ice fish. If I
Hey! You're very primitive. You know what? Let me turn off the AC, okay? Like I said, this is your room. Whenever you're done with your chores, you retire to this room.
okay.
Now, listen and listen carefully. On no account should you be found in the sitting room when you're not called upon, or wandering around the house for no reason. If we catch you doing that, you'll be fired and sent to your village.
Hey, fired. I don't want to go to the village.
So do you read me?
Yes, I don't want to go to the village. I am a professional maid. Whenever I finish wetin I dey do, I go just come sleep for my heavenly bed and collect my wetin be that way you go press there. Okay, and chill like as a fridge. Thank you.
I'm glad you read me.
Madam, you no carry any paper for hand. I won't take read you.
I mean, do you understand me?
Okay, now wetin you dey try talk be that? I read you. I read you. Well.
Drop your bag and settle in.
Thank you. Hey, fine angel of the Lord. Fine angel of the Lord.
I never cheat and cheat. I have shown you kitchen where you belong. Mr. Handsome. Henceforth, you are mine. And mine alone. I know some of my friends will be admiring you. But I don't want you to give any of them a chance. Don't.
Yes, madam.
Do you understand? Okay? You know, we are paying you huge amount for this job.
Yes, madam.
If you play me in any way, I will make sure that you are fired. Am I communicating?
Yes, madam.
Did you hear me clearly, Mr. Chen?
I heard you, madam.
Good.
I heard you. You are. I understand.
You understand,
Yes.
Mr. Chef?
Yeah, I understand.
Good boy. So this is your room. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, madam.
Do not forget, anytime I need you, I will come around. Boy. Oh! This is your key.
Thank you, madam.
Good boy. Hey.
I'm happy to hear that.
How nice! I'll take you to cloud nine.
Enjoy yourself,
Now that we have Chief Ikemba on our side, he will be giving us every vital information about Lady Golden.
Yes, of course. As we speak right now, Golden is hospitalized in London. I think she has heart failure.
And we are the cause. I love that.
Anyway, she will soon die. And she cannot be my friend for too long. Yeah, I need to join her going through.
You have joined.
Alhaji. Alhaji, what about the mega contract?
It will be ready by next week. Yes. My cousin brother told me that it will be ready. He's in my palm. He assured me of the contract.
Okay. We all are happy to hear that.
Oh, come here.
I'm a little fanya. Mama let you get now they are confused.
Amy.
Ah, okay, chef. Food done well.
This is your portion.
Look at madam. The inside.
Okay, hold this one first. Hold your own food now.
Be calming down, you. Waiting.
If they are inside, they're problem. Problem big.
No, because I be want ask you small question. And I know say you answer me. You say the same make me and you this. Okay. I won't know what our madam can do for people. You know they see their cars. You know they see fine clothes. You know they see hair, even skin. You know they see their skin. Their skin they like mirror. I won't know what they do for a living because their operation is out of this world. What they do for a living? I don't say you don't know. I can tell me what they do.
I don't see. All that you are seeing, I don't see it. Bring my plate to me.
Ah. See this one, they mind your business. Wait till they worry you, no fit gossip with person. Okay. Gossip with person, small gossip, you no fit gossip. They mind your business. So mind your business. No, I no fit mind my own business. I don't get to mind my business anymore. You will tell me later.
Check your phone.
I'm checking.
Nothing. Check yours. Nothing.
Let me call it.
Okay, fine. Yes. Hello, babe. What's up? How far? Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Perfect. Perfect, girl. Okay, all right. She has gotten it. Yes. So she's sending it into your email. Okay. Girls, she's sending it into your emails, right? So master it, study the files very well. We'll pick up from there, right? Okay. Check your phones. Let's see. Phone.
She has sent it. Yes.
Wow.
She has sent it.
Oh my goodness, this is huge. Come see this. You have yours too?
Yes.
This is huge. This is beautiful, all right? Oh my word. All right, this is perfect, all right? Let me get back to Lady Gold ASAP. Very important. Okay. Good luck, girls.
Why you scatter face like shit with a shoe catapult? Now what happened?
My husband, I know they happy at all. I know they okay.
How?
No be Elisa matter. Elisa matter now.
And now what happened to her?
You know, say, Elisa know they come house at all. She know they come house again. We don't know where she did. We don't know what thing she did do. Eh? It no sweet me at all. It no sweet me. I know say that girl they very stubborn. But she still be a beginning.
Mama Elisa, see, me no just disturb me.
Eh?
No just disturb me at all. No be Elisa will carry big car come this house, come the book and I said tomorrow day. Okay, when I tell her say make go return that car, where can I come? Okay, since when she come out from this house, go return the car. She don't come back. I bet may not disturb me.
You for no shout at her like that. And she for no walk out. Eh? And we for no let her go. See now, she no pay pick her.
I don't say anywhere where Elisa dey, nothing happen to her. She dey fine for that place. Let me tell you.
Eh? How you take me?
You ask me, I tell you. If you don't believe what I tell you, maybe you go ask Martina. Because I know say Tina and Eliza, na two of them, now you waka come out. So nothing happen to her.
Anyway, may God, my prayer be say, may nothing happen to our daughter. May nothing happen.
I don't tell you, say, you don't disturb me. Nothing happen to Eliza, you hear me? Nothing they stop. No, they disturb you, I tell you. Just leave me, leave me. I don't tell you, nothing they stop. No, they disturb me.
But then I love her, all of I'm a little wake. I'm a little wake. They are confused, they are carried away. But then I love her, all lost. Their wing is leaking, they are carried away. Because of fine chef.
Philmond! Ray! Hello? Ray, one! Ray! One! Philmond! Is it you? Yes, sir. Yes, I'm fine. And you? Yes, I can hear it from your voice. Your voice now sounds like somebody that is not eating money. Yes. Yes, I'm very fine. Yes. In fact, I've wanted to call you before now. Yes. Yes, my son. So you're not working in the city, eh?
Yes, as a chef.
As a chef?
Wait, so has
Hey! Okwa mama arekwa. Hey!
I hope Induka has been bringing you bushmeat.
Yes.
Nice. And my uncle, he's not been troubling you?
I don't have any problem. Yes. I'm only missing you.
Thank you. I hope everything is okay. No wala. All right then. Love you.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. I will continue to pray for you, eh? Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Who was that?
What are you talking about?
Your mom?
You satisfied?
Come back here. I heard one of my friends came into your room last night.
Who told you? Or what told you?
Don't you dare lie. Don't you dare lie to me. Idiot. Don't lie to me. Who?
What's it?
Who came into your room last night?
The one who came into my room last night, standing right there. Excuse me.
Come back here! Come back! Don't you dare walk out on me, you fool! Idiot! I'm talking to you, you're good. My friend, come back here.
My baby.
Chief, when are you buying me the car?
Don't worry, my baby. On your birthday, I will give you a huge surprise.
Anyway, for your information, there will be no touching or seeing till you fulfill your promise.
I can't wait to do that, okay? I cannot. Don't worry. You are going to be a landlady very soon, okay?
Wait. Chief, excuse me.
My baby.
What you wish to have is a therapy for you. Be careful. Watch your back. Don't be carried away. Fine chef enter their eyes. Fine boy, they are confused. Fine papa, whether I love her. They are confused, they are carried away, whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking, they are carried away because of fine boys. Child, but if we go follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out. Child, if we go follow Yakata, we go chop a more. If we go follow Yakata, we go chop a more. What you wish to have is a therapy for you. Baby, be careful. Watch your back, don't be carried away. Fine chef, enter their eyes. Fine boy, fine baba, whether I love or lost. I'm a little one they are confused, they are carried away, whether I love or lost.
Yes, I get it, but my main target, as we speak, is Angela Briggs. Yeah, she's the head. I mean, once she's down, the other useless idiots follow suit. Of course. Yeah. All right then, I will speak to you much later. Yes, much later. Bye.
Good day, ma'am.
Hi, sweetheart. Please sit.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how did the meeting go? Okay. You are not talking. No. Nina.
Yes, ma'am.
No, wait a minute. Nina.
Yes, ma'am.
Nina. The speaker signed this paper.
Congratulations, ma'am.
No. Unbelievable.
I told you.
You told me.
I told you I will make him do it. Whether gay or not, a woman will always be a woman. I am that woman with a core difference.
I can't believe this. Now, Nina, I need to hug you. Nina, come. Come here, sweetheart. Ah! You are a super angel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sit.
Thank you.
He signed the paper. He did.
Now, with these files here and the vice president's signature here,
okay,
he is in.
You haven't told me. How manage? How did you do it?
Remember I told you Mimi sent me documents and some notes to my email?
Yes.
We started from there.
You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business
This is unbelievable. Wake me up. Please, may I hand over my glass of champagne to you?
Ma'am, I am still working. I have to go in.
Then you need it. You need this glass to work more. Take it. Move. We are still working. Super nice.
And just for life, and just for life, they are angels, baby, oh, they get a connection, oh, angels for life, angels.
Yes. Get every information about her. I mean everything about her. Her lifestyle, her moves, her behavior. I mean everything about her. Yes. She went to visit her parents. Yes. Great. Get everything across to me.
My baby.
Yes, darling.
You are so sweet.
Really? So, you like it?
More than like it. More than like it.
You love it?
More than love it.
Chief. Please stop.
I never do that. Girls like you can act like this in bed. So hot.
Chief, please don't make me shy. I don't want to be shy.
Are you really shy?
Yes.
Please don't be, okay? Sorry, who was that on phone?
Chief is my other sister. That was my other sister on phone. She's asking me of something, so
oh, it's okay.
She always disturb money.
What is money? You don't really act like a house help, okay? Yes.
Really?
You don't? You sound so educated and articulated. So polished.
Well, I lost my parents when I was still in secondary school.
Oh, sorry, okay? Sorry for that, okay?
It's okay. That one is at the past now, so I've gotten used to that.
My baby, look, I don't want your... There's something I want us to do, okay? I want this to be on a very low profile. I mean, low profile. I don't want your madam to be aware of this, okay?
That's not a problem. I don't even want her to know that.
Please don't.
We have something to do.
Hide it from her.
I will hide it. Chief, you like these things.
Stop.
You like these things.
Stop.
You like something. Yes. Yes.
My baby, wait.
Yes.
Hi. Is there something you want me to do for you?
Ray. I like you. Yes, I really do like you. I know it's gonna sound funny, but that's the truth. I'm sorry that we have been acting up on you. Just that I don't want my friends to know I have interest in you. Hey, Ray. It's okay. I absolutely get it. Yes. See, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm really sorry.
If there is nothing, I really need to get back to bed.
It's okay, fine. I understand. Ray. But I want you to know that Flora, I've got my eyes on your charming, sexy body. Just give me a chance. Let me lick you like a lollipop.
They are confused. Fine, Papa. Whether I love or lost. I'm only they are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy. Child. But if we go follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out.
Salam alaikum. Yes. Hold on, brother. You mean the vice president's daughter? Then I have to schedule a meeting to meet with her. Oh, she promised to call me. But no one has called me with respect to the matter. Okay. I will be expecting a call. You want me to work with that? No problem. No problem. May Allah be praised. All right, my cousin brother. My honorable speaker. Bye.
Alaji.
Nicole, my baby.
Alaji, I can't wait for this contract to come to your table. You know what? I can't wait for you to buy me that mansion and different acres of land in different places.
Nicole, wallahi, by the time we finish this contract, I am going to do anything for you and the girls. My cousin brother, the speaker, has promised me that I am going to get a contract. And he has given me so many contracts in the past.
Alaji, that is why I love you. You're the only man on this world that makes me happy.
You are lying, Nicole. Look, when I get this contract, I will do anything for you. And I will continue to make you happy. So long as you continue to give me that
Alaji, it's like that.
Hey, stop looking at me like that. You are a man.
Flora, you took advantage of me. This is not right. You can't take advantage of your staff. Because I work for you, you just take advantage of me. What we just did was my first time. This is not proper.
Oh my gosh. You are a virgin? And you're this strong? Wow.
I am leaving this house tomorrow morning.
Oh, no. Why?
Because I am tired of working for you girls.
Ray, please bring your voice down, okay? The girls might hear us. See, I don't want you to leave. Really, I don't want you to. Trust me.
I have problems. I have lots of things on my mind. I have issues that I need to solve. My mother is at the hospital. Waiting to die, probably. Because I don't have money to pay for her hospital bills, her operations. 2.5 million is what I need to find. I mean, how am I even going to find that kind of money? And that was why I took this job. Thinking I could be making enough money to help. As old as I am, even 100,000 naira, I don't have it. Can you imagine?
Wow.
Yes, and all you think about is just having sex with your chef. That's all you think about. I've got all these things running through my mind. Look, I refuse to be your sex slave, okay? I refuse it. I'd rather leave and quit and go with my dignity than hang around here.
Wait, please wait. You are not my sex slave, okay? Okay, fine. Look, I'm not saying it that way, okay? I'm not. I am really sorry. Trust me, I am. Okay, you know what? I'm going to send money to you by weekend. I'm going to send 2.5 million naira to your account. Yes. So you can cash out the money and help your mom. I'm really sorry. I am. No wonder you are always quiet and troubled. I am sorry.
I don't need your money. Just leave me alone, okay? Just leave me alone.
Okay, here. Put your account number. Please. Come on, Ray. Put your account number. Come on. I'm sorry. I really don't want you to leave. Trust me, I am. Just put your account number, please. Ray. Please.
Phone is locked.
Oh, sorry.
They are confused. Find Baba, whether I love or lost. I'm only they are confused.
Okay, I just sent you the money. Hey, come on, smile.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I'll see you later, okay?
Right.
Take care of yourself and be good.
We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out. If we go follow Yakata, we go chop a more. If we go follow Yakata, we go chop a more.
Hold on a second. Who's the virgin? Me? Oh yeah. This is easier than I thought. Yes. Easy money.
Malaysian, I hear you day. Eh? Now hear you day when I tell you something that jabbed me that day. After I come here say she don't dey for island with her friend. Later on I come say she don't dey work. I be not be so you talk. I be don't say she don't dey work.
Jerry, how many times do I call you? No tell me say you and your sister no dey talk for phone. I dey vex for una o. Me, I dey vex for una.
The verse for us. Wale, I no blame you. I no blame you. If not be this ASU strike wey dey now. I know when they come here every time, come they sit down here, they collect shout and insult from you now. Now ASU Kosa, they don't do one for you, you don't win now. They talk to me anyhow.
Tell your sister make she come back with her friend. I don't talk my own. Tell your sister make she come back with her friend.
You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If you business no finish. You no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract. And just, baby, oh. And just for life.
I do not even know, where to start from. It's the greatest moment of my life, and I'm pleased with the outcome.
We are happy. I told you.
You told me.
I have the smartest gang. We are the queens, are we not?
Yes, we are. Very soon. Very, very soon. The angels will fall.
That's right. And they will fall again and again.
That's it. That's it. Cheers, everyone. Angels, enjoy.
Oh. Oh my gosh! Girls!
What is it? What is it? Okay. The vice president's daughter just followed me on Instagram!
Are you serious?
I'm serious!
I can't believe this.
Oh my gosh!
Sit down, boss! Are you serious?
Oh my god! We now have a presidential
Oh my word! She just said, hello, angel! Say something like, hey, oh, hey! No, not for me, not for me. We don't give attitude.
Hey! What should I reply her?
Hi.
Hi.
Be polite, be like, hi. Oh, hello. Just like it, just like it.
No.
Give her levels.
No. Let me say, hey.
Not for me, no, not for me.
No. Let me say, hush.
Hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty.
If you know I cannot see something that is bad and wants to happen to you, and I will not tell you. I was cleaning with Ozu and I found this under her bed. What is this? I don't know. I'm not in the right position to answer that. Maybe you ask me.
Pass, don't look there. Just pass your thing. That's normal.
They call this thing. The call of me means do as I say.
Don't pass.
Let us go and she wants it now. It's you that is inside.
God will punish her for every time you do what I get. Me.
Chief, take it now. It is you that is.
Stop that.
You are playing games with me! Who amongst my friends are you seeing? Who? And don't you dare lie to me. How dare you lie to me? I am the boss! And I hate liars! I hate lies!
You dare bully me? You dare bully me? And you have the effrontery to slap me? Ever! Don't even try it again. Don't ever try it again because you will not like my voice.